son of a bitch and fucking probably in, I don't know what that is there, B, probably B1. Hey guys, how's she going today? Well, I got a call from the elevator that they would like me to start hauling some of my contracted grain in, so got 8,000 bushels of my canola to go, 10,000 of Antoine's canola, and 12,000 of my wheat. So we got a few days of hauling to go here. So I'm just getting the international tandem lined up. The Freightliner is still, it's going to be busy for a couple days here drying grain yet, so all just going to be a one-man operation for today at least anyways. But Antoine is unhooking the 4640 from the disc because it's going to go on the grain vac. And then I'm going to move that guy out of the way here now, I think, so I can get lined up under the vac. Because I forgot I'm going from this bin and not that bin, so I'm going to have to come from here to get underneath of under the grain vac. So jump out and get this guy out of the way. Froze to the ground. He's been sitting here for a while, the old freight Quaker. There we go. Snowed a little bit last night and it's been kind of on and off all day here today. Gross white crap anyway, so I'm hoping the highways aren't too bad, because it's a lot of little back roads to the elevator we're going to today. It's one I've never sold grain to before, but this year they had the best prices, so it's gonna be a new and exciting adventure. It'll be about probably a good hour, I think, driving with the tandem anyways. So, but I mean, all the elevators around here at least are about that far away anyways, so I guess we'll get the vac set up and start loading. Well, I never got her videoed getting loaded. Antoine loaded it up. I was getting the license plate put back onto it there. I had to try to find the damn thing. I'd forgot we took it off when we went and brought Bundy to Ryan's there to Straight Pipe Baker's place. They're both the same trucks and the same colors, so it had something on the back of it in case we met the friendly neighborhood policeman. So anyway, so it's back on the right truck again here now. So Antoine is somewhere behind me with the Freightliner. We figured we'd haul with both trucks instead, just to get a little more done today that way. There's some sheeps there. Little fuckers. So we're hauling with both trucks just to get a bit more done today anyways, because I don't think they're open tomorrow. They're open till 8 o'clock Manitoba time, with the time change is 7 o'clock for me, so that means it's 1 o'clock for them right now. It's noon for me, so we should be able to both make one more trip, I think, anyways. So it's a fair little jaunt there. I'm about 3/4 of the way there now, so I suppose I'll talk to you guys again when we get there. Alrighty, we're at the Cargill at Elva, which is at Melita. Melita's over there, Manitoba. It's, well, we're just out of Manitoba at home, so fairly close place to come for the most part. So they had good prices on things, so I'm gonna get in the line up here so they can probe me like the aliens, and we'll talk again here in a few. down in the States. They're doing silage. We went a long way south. Show you guys something here. I don't know if it's gonna show up, but there's no bark left on any of these trees here. They had what was it, an EF4? No, it was an EF5. It was Canada's first one. EF5 tornado here 4 years ago. 4 years ago, come through here, and fuck, what the hell was that thing? A mile wide? It was something like that anyway, and stayed on the ground for, it went all the way to Verdun. That's like 150 kilometers, wasn't it? It stayed on the ground for, so come right through here, and it's kind of surprising it landed in the middle there, so all these houses and everything got lucky, and there's 1 yard back there. I don't know how it didn't get wiped out, but anyway, I thought I'd show you the debarked trees. There's the elevator, so almost back with another one. Dropped his phone in there. Well, we had a little bit of excitement there. Twan's heart started to flutter a bit. My stomach sank, got concerned. The old freight shaker with its rebuilt motor started to miss at about 1600 and still doing it. We thought we had it solved. The vent cap on the tank wasn't venting anymore, but so we went and changed the cap out on it and put some fuel in it and some injector cleaner, and it's still doing it. So now what? Bad injector probably. That's our guess. Injectors. So fun and games. So anyway, I don't know if you can hear it doing it, but we'll make our way back home with the old girl, I guess, and then now we got another project again. Nice! Nice! Dirty old bitch. Well, we got back home with the old girl, but we're pretty damn sure its fuel filters are the issue on it, because it'll run perfectly fine when you're idling or revving up or flat out, but kind of in the middle there it kind of sputters around, but not every time, just sometimes. So we're thinking there's a bit of moisture in the fuel filters. Moisture. Like our buddy the millennial farmer says. So we're gonna start with changing fuel filters, but that's it for today, and they're not open on the weekends, so won't be doing any more hauling till Tuesday, because Monday is Remembrance Day, Veterans Day, what I think is what you call it down in the States. But so that'll be it for a few days. But anyway, I guess that's where I'm going to leave you for now. So make sure you leave a comment down below and hit that like button. Subscribe for more. We'll talk to all you guys here in the next one.